What's up guys, I'm welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is pumping exactly like I said in my video just 2 days ago. Yes guys, look at this right now. We saw a bounce from this exact region right here, which I was telling you about in previous video which I made, saying we will see a bounce from approximately low 58k range and then a push towards the upside exactly to the top level of this triangle right here. The question is now, what is going to happen to Bitcoin? Are we going to get rejected once again lower down to 57k, or are we going to see a break up to around 64k for Bitcoin? I'm going to talk about that and much more in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. It truly does me the world. I really do appreciate you watching my content. If you do want to drop a like and comment literally anything down below on today's video, I will enter you every single Monday automatically to win $100 on the channel, guys. So it's really amazing. I do appreciate your support on the videos. Also guys, don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor from the UK, USA, or UAE. Please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into that said content because it's looking very interesting right now. We can see first of all here, so let's take a look at the 4-hourly chart, because we can see here we clearly have a very beautiful bounce from this range down here at approximately 58,000 US dollars. Now we've seen the price push towards the upside up to around $61,300. Now we are currently at the upper level of this triangle right here. Previously right there, previously right here as well, we did in fact see a rejection both times. Is that what's going to play out, a rejection in the next coming hours and days? I want to talk about that in today's video. Or are we going to see this exact level broken and a push up to potentially 64k, or even all the way up here to 67,000 US dollars? Well, it's looking very, very interesting for Bitcoin. Of course, the ETF outflows are still continuing. We are still seeing quite a bit of bearish news in the Bitcoin price history. And also, if we take a look at the Bitcoin monthly returns chart right here, we can see that we did in fact close June with 20.48% negative. This is pretty much expected. As we can see back here in 2018, we can see a pretty negative June right there. And of course, into July, usually people are going to start to expect a pump. Will I be expecting a pump in July? Well, not necessarily a pump. However, I do think July will be a more bullish month than June, in my opinion. Should you be opening long positions right now on Bitcoin? Well, honestly, I personally am not doing. As I told you before, I am still in my Bitcoin trade. Previously, this was around 75,000 US dollars when we were down at this level down here. Now it's currently sitting at around 50,000 US dollars, which is amazing. I'm keeping in my trade, guys. As I told you, this is around a 600,000 US dollar short position on Bitcoin. I am waiting for my targets. If we take a look at this chart right here on the weekly time frame, I'm waiting for my targets. If you're new to the channel or if you're a returning viewer, you can see that first target is right here, down approximately at $54,400. And my second target is approximately in this range, the 0.786 Fibonacci for Bitcoin at approximately 39,400 US dollars. These are my targets. Once we start to get into this range, I will start to enter long positions. I've even already opened a long position or triggered, set a limit order, on Ubit, the exchange which I'm using right now, for around 16 Bitcoin. So it's a very, very multi-$100,000 trade right there for Bitcoin at 46,000 US dollars. Again, I'm going to keep scaling into this trade. I will be adding more limit orders as time goes on. So that is amazing, 50,000 US dollar trade. Also, guys, I've been making the most of prediction markets on Ubit as well. As you know, the World Cup's going on, and I really enjoy doing it. Today, we've got Spain and Austria right there. Heavily stacked side for Spain, and we can see here on my position history right there, previously a win for Korea Republic, $1,500. And if we go to system settlement right there, we can see I won $1,500 on France right there. I won around $6,000 on Brazil right there. And down here, I won around $7,500 on Brazil, and around $6,000 on Norway. So I really am stacking these gains on Ubit, whether it's with the prediction market or if it's with the futures right there. And if you did want to go ahead and trade, guys, all you need to do is go down below on today's video. There is a tutorial there if you don't understand what to do. And of course, you can click right there, this link just there. There is no KYC currently, and also a $100 deposit will get you up to a $1,000 trade voucher. All the promotions you can see right here when you click the link down below. Name, email address, not even name, just email address and password, and you are ready to go. So We do have a couple of things to look out for on the charts, guys. I am going to make this video pretty quick. I am actually catching a flight to the airport in about 30 minutes, so I really need to make this video quick. We can see there's still a lot of liquidity up here, right here on the 2-week chart. This is on Binance, approximately up to around $63,000. So what I think could happen, we could see a push towards the upside up to around $63,000 in the short term. That would be what I think is going to happen. Again, that would approximately be around this level right there, and potentially a rejection. Previously, I was saying the target is around $67,000, but there needs to be a few things to happen if we are going to see that target, because I just don't think Bitcoin has got the strength right now to push up to the $67,000. Certainly, if it does, it will liquidate a lot of people, and most likely it will be a trap, and we will see a dump towards the downside. So guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you will stay trading. It's a very interesting time to be trading right now. Again, I'm staying in my trade around 50,000 US dollars over on Ubit, and I'm setting my order limits for lower prices for long positions. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, not financial advice. Don't watch if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.